Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day to all my fellow veterans. May you all have a great day. Last night, I prepared a recipe from the English kitchen and it did not disappoint. It was the green chili and potato soup. Excellent. 5 stars across the board. Now, I did add some serrano peppers towards the beginning, but it didn't need it. It really didn't. I just want to have some fun. But it's an excellent soup. It's perfect for 2 people. Yeah. Make sure you get this recipe. The Comfort Food Week continues. Today I am doing deviled eggs and tuna melts. Should be fun. Let's get to it. Gotta have eggs for deviled eggs. I've been debating whether to do 4 or 6 eggs. Robin has said she would like to have some of my deviled eggs. So I'm leaning towards 6. So we got eggs, mayo, good old regular yellow mustard. We're going to use a little bit of sweet relish and Hungarian paprika over the top once they're finished. And of course, just a little bit of salt and pepper. All right, for the tuna melt, I'm going with tuna, obviously. It's just like the eggs and, yeah, you know what I mean. Tuna, I'm going to dice up. I'm going to use some diced red onion, a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to be using American cheese. And I'm going to add a little bit of green onion as well. And it looks like I'm going with a honey oat bread. You'll be seeing this throughout the week. Oh, and in the tuna melt, obviously mayo and, stuff you normally put in a tuna salad sandwich. Yeah, they're sharing the mayo today. Oops. All right. So, the weather's supposed to be beautiful today, a little cooler than yesterday. Okay, enough Al Roker. Remember, baking is science. Definitely a mystery to me for most things in the baking world. All right. On this Veterans Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.